The TRAPLINK Skeet remote control has been one of the best sellers in our range. So it stands to reason that that would be the first remote control we was to upgrade to the TRAPLINK Wave. So the Wave is exactly the same as the TRAPLINK Skeet, but it has the addition of a lapel microphone. And not only that, we've actually coded in some extra features here to give ours a little bit of an edge over the other ones you might find on the market. But fundamentally, in its very essence, without the microphone plugged into it, this will operate exactly the same as a TRAPLINK Skeet. And we can show that by we have an A, B, and we have a pair. Also features on the TRAPLINK Skeet is we have a follow mode, which launches clays 3 seconds apart to simulate on report pairs, but they're just following pairs. And the same for the B, and the pair button gives you an A followed by a B 3 seconds apart. So we won't delve too much into this. We also obviously have the solo mode that gives you a countdown before it actually fires the trap. But while you're watching this video is to see the microphone. So we have included with the TRAPLINK Wave a lovely lapel microphone which is very sensitive. So much so, if it was a windy day, I'd actually advise you, I think, to actually clip that inside your shirt, like that. That gives it a bit more wind protection. It does actually have a wind sleeve on it, but if it's a breezy day, you might just be well inclined just to clip that on the inside of your shirts, such as that. Now, with this remote control, the moment you plug this in, it detects the microphone and it changes its configuration to suit this mode. So if we just plug this in here now, what we'll get is when I press this, you'll hear a beep, the trap won't fire, and it's armed waiting for me to call pull. Pull. Trap fires. Nice and simple. So now the microphone is disabled until I press it once again. Pull. Trap fires again. And then we have a pair. Pull. Nice and simple. So what else can this remote control do? We have the follow mode. Now previously, with the microphone disconnected, we've received a clay followed by another clay 3 seconds apart. With this one, this puts it into on report mode. So we just give that a tap. We'll queue up channel A. Pull. There goes the second clay. And there's the second shot. Now, you may wonder why I just had to illustrate the second shot. Let me show you, because this remote control can tell by the sound of the second shot if you've actually managed to take a shot. Therefore it can detect no birds, and when it picks up a no bird, it will actually reset itself and go back to the first stage. So a better example to show you with this would be the follow by pair, which will give you an A followed by a B. So we'll take the shot on an A and then we'll stimulate a no bird for the B. Pull. So now the remote control has detected we didn't take a shot, so it's reset itself back to A. It's heard the second shot, so now it's actually stopped the event. So now we can just queue up to go again. Pull. And the same will happen if the first clay was a no bird as well. Pull. And it's reset. Pull. So that's that mode. Then we have what is usually the solo countdown mode. So this one you have to hold for 2 seconds to switch this mode on. And the light will stay on to signify that this is turned on. Now what that does is it latches the mode on. This prevents you from having to push a button every time you actually want to clay. So you'll take your shot and it will then give you a 5-second countdown to reload, get yourself ready, and it'll automatically arm again. So you can just call pull and carry on without the need of actually having to push buttons to keep rearming the remote control. So we'll do a demonstration just with the A, pull. You see it flashing there, which is giving you the opportunity to reload. Pull. Pull. And just like before, if there was a no bird, it'll reset itself as well. So we'll demonstrate that this time. Pull. And as you reset. Pull. So now we'll turn that off by just holding it down again for 2 seconds. And of course, that can be used in conjunction with the solo and the follow by mode. So if we turn the follow on, and then again the solo, which latches it into the mode, and we will do this with the pairs, because I like pairs. Pull. Pull. Back to A. Pull. And that completes the cycle. Brilliant remote control. Very simple to use, with features to make your day go more smoothly, because there's nothing worse than having to keep diving into your pocket to push the buttons again to get the show rolling again. When you want to go back to a normal controller, maybe you just haven't brought this with you, or it's just too windy, just unplug the microphone and just straight back to a standard remote control. Thanks for watching. I know this one's going to be popular. Any questions about it though, feel free to get in touch.